This is how to show FPS on the ROG Ally. We are gonna do this through the system provided method through Armory Crate. In here is the button that does shortcuts for all of the neat system features that the ROG Ally provides. First of all, we are gonna need to add the system monitor option in here. To do this, go to the Armory Crate using this button, go to Settings, and in here in the Command Center area, add the following option, Real Time Monitor. Once this is added over here, go to the Armory Crate Quick Options and hit Real Time Monitor. Let me show you. You have 3 ways of displaying this: in a minimal format, in a medium format, and in a large detailed format. Now you know how to show FPS on the ROG Ally.